Hey folks, Tracy here, wanting to share my morning routine. There are many things I love to do in the morning, and I highly suggest that you find those special activities you most love to do first thing in the morning that help get your blood flowing and or your mind in a positive direction. Of course, some of our routine involves feeding 4 different cats, as they mostly sleep outside right now, and they all want to come in and eat. Anyway, I like to journal, do yoga, meditate, walk, sometimes do a couple of sprints. We've been doing a new routine, Qigong, maybe sometimes even gardening. There's many things I like to do, so I have to pick and choose what I can do in any particular day, what I have time for, and then maybe alternate. But this routine that I want to share with you specifically is just what I like to do as much as I can every day. It just helps get my blood flowing and my chi circulating and my lymph flowing. I tend to wake up with some puffy eyes still sometimes, and especially on one side. So this just helps get everything flowing again. So join me if you like. I hope you enjoy it. And if you like videos like this, let me know. I'm happy to do more. And just want to point out a couple things while watching me do this routine. I first start by doing different exercises to just move all the joints, and there's a couple of poses that I tried to do face on as well as turn to the side so you could kind of see what I'm doing. And one in particular I just call the S curve. I'm just trying to allow my spine to stay more mobile and flexible and fluid as I age. I think that's very important. So any kind of little back bend type things that you can do are really beneficial to also get that spinal fluid circulating as well. And just want to point out too, when I do the squats, I know I have my hands like this, that people might be wondering why, and it just helps me to stay more upright, but it also helps open up my shoulder blades. But stay tuned to the end, because after you see me doing these exercises, I have a few more that I do inside as well. So I highly encourage you either trying to follow along or come up with your own routine, whatever works, and get out, attuned to nature, and do it barefoot on the grass if you can. It makes it all the more special. I love hearing all the birds and being able to have my feet bare on the grass. It's a cooler morning and it's just beautiful. So I hope you enjoy. Have a great, peaceful morning, and I'll see you next time.